Hello, it's Patrick from Aliante Library with the North Las Vegas Library District, and today we are going to make ice cream with our mason jar and some heavy cream, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla for tasting. Super easy to do, so I'll show you how to make it, and then we'll see how it is when it comes out of the freezer. So it is very easy to make. I've pre-measured my salt because it asks for a pinch, and a pinch of salt, people are saying, should be between an eighth and maybe even a 16th. So I've done a little less than an eighth for my pinch of salt. So I pre-did that. 1 tablespoon and a half of sugar. I've pre-measured that. I have my vanilla. And you basically just use 1 cup of heavy cream, so whipping cream. So I will do that right here. It's very thick to begin with. So we're going to do 1 cup. See how good I can pour it. Not bad. So there is my 1 cup of whipping cream. Here is my 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Put that off to the side. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla for flavoring, and I may do another one just to test some of the other flavorings out there. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then my touch of salt. A pinch is what they say, a pinch of salt. So I'm doing a little less than an eighth. You just seal it up tight, make sure it's tight, and shake it. And you're gonna shake it for like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna start shaking, and we'll check back in 5 minutes. So this is after about 5 minutes. I timed it to make sure. It's a little tiring, so you may have to get somebody to help you with the shaking. And it says it should be thick enough for a wooden spoon to be coated when you put it in there, so I think that that's thick enough. So we are going to seal it back up and put it in the freezer 3 hours and see how it turns out. All right, so after 3 hours of sitting in the freezer, we will see how it came out. Definitely the consistency of ice cream. And now for the taste test. It's good. So I encourage you, get a mason jar. I'm sure you have most of this stuff in your house. You probably don't have heavy cream, but just pick up a little heavy cream and make yourself some ice cream. Thanks for joining us.